Alright, let's dive into a common problem that some developers might face. So, here's the deal with this issue. The problem we have here is that the g_print function, which is supposed to print UTF8 strings, ends up displaying garbage instead of the correct output. On the other hand, the simple printf works just fine and shows the text as expected. What a head scratcher, isn't it? Now let's shift our focus to the solution. As mentioned earlier, the key to fixing this problem lies in how the console handles encoding. By utilizing the setlocale function in our code, we're able to address this issue effectively. The specific code snippet highlighted here plays a crucial role in resolving the problem. By exploring and understanding the console charset settings, we can ensure that g_print functions as intended and displays the UTF8 strings correctly. Continuing with our exploration of the solution, the next part sheds light on the changes observed after implementing the setlocale function. By initially probing the console charset and then resetting it using setlocale lc_all, we witness a shift from the initial charset setting of ANSI_X 3.41968 to the expected UTF8 charset. This alteration is pivotal as it enables g_print to function properly and exhibit the correct output, aligning it with the behavior of printfs. To wrap things up, we've successfully tackled the problem of g_print displaying garbage instead of the expected UTF8 strings. By delving into the intricacies of console encoding and leveraging the setlocale function, we've managed to ensure that g_print operates flawlessly. It's all about understanding and handling charset settings effectively in the code. So, with that, I hope you found this discussion helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding, and may your debugging sessions be as smooth as a freshly brewed cup of coffee.